So, the first thing to do is to register as a secondary student. Or if you're in secondary, for example, I'll register as John Kamoga. So, I'll register as John Kamoga. My parents' phone number is uh, plus 256 755 32. So my email is maybe jkamoga at gmail. I'll choose a password. I'll write a password that I'll remember. So because I'll be using it every day to access my work. So I'll say maybe my password is um, so I'll choose my school. My school, let's say my school is Luzira SS and I'm in senior 2. Then I can submit. So when I submit, that means I'm a registered student on the system and I'm registered as a student of Luzira Secondary School. So it will bring me here to log in. I'll put in the email I used and a password. And I'll select a profile as a secondary student. Right now, there is no work for Luzira SS, so I'll show you from maybe another school that has already uploaded work. I'll register as a admin. If you set your user profile as an administrator, it means you're going to upload work for the students. You must be a teacher or a head teacher or a DOS. Secondary student, that's you, secondary student. Primary people, that is for primary kids who use the system also. So I'll select that I'm a secondary student. So I'll log in. You can't log in if you didn't register. Your first thing to do is to register so your teachers can know that so and so is able to access the work. So I've logged in. It can load for some time. So this is for Chinawa High School, Senior 3. You log in you see this student is called Tom. This is the work uploaded for Senior 3 so far. You can see the category is notes, the teacher who uploaded it. Yeah, so, and it was uploaded on that date. So you can know which work is recent, which work is not recent. You can just click on download and then have it downloaded, right? Click on download and it will load for you to download. You can say this. This is History East notes. So you can just click here, tick, for you to download it on your phone or on your computer. Now, when you're done doing whatever you're doing, you can just log out of here. You can also access work just by clicking on your badge. Let's say, but now there, your teachers won't be able to know that you're able to access the work. You won't be able to communicate with your teacher, and the school doesn't have accountability of your activity. So for example, when I just click on Luzera, currently Luzera doesn't have work yet uploaded, so it can redirect to any other school that has work, let's say. But when they upload, you can be able to get it. Now it will redirect to Muchinawa High School because we haven't had work there. So the moment you click on it, you can just say senior 2 biology self-study, geography, all this is work. You just click on senior 2 chemistry notes if you're in senior 2, and it is so direct to take you. You'll be able to access the work. We got it loaded. It depends on your internet speed. Mm, biggest time it will load. But it's supposed to be a little faster. This is quite a big file. That's why it is taking its time to load. But it's the same way the way others have been loading. And after loading, you can. I think my internet connection is quite slow, but it is going to load and finish. Still, you can click on that and then you just download it to your phone or computer. Then you can be doing the work. And then after that, you can send it back by email to the teachers or to anyone, or you can use actually the system itself. I won't wait for it to load. I'll just go back. Yeah, so this is all we got. You can see all this is work. Senior 5, senior 6. You just tap on the work and it will be downloaded. Right.